What if we just drive through the night? Okay, heads, we drive through the night. Tails, we stop right here in Oklahoma City. What do you want?
To stay here in Oklahoma City. Hey Wannabes, we're 370 miles away from Houston. If you missed last week's episode, Diego finally got to check off a bucket list item of his, and he showered at a Love's gas station. In this episode, we're taking you through a day in our RV life.
At night.
Move over. I'll pump the gas at night. Oh, it's not working. Oh, there we go. Women can pump their own gas. You just shouldn't have to. I went to go change into my glasses for obvious reasons. The door lock is being finicky. This little guy likes to pop out of place. We're already having a spooky Halloween.
I think that's it.
This is typical. All my things fell to the ground. Nothing new here. Drive at night, they said. Oh. He's about to piss me off. Wannabes, how do I get a new husband?
I will say pulling into the gas station was a whole lot easier than any daytime experience. Even on the best day, I feel like there's still some chaos. You're still worried if you're gonna hit someone, if someone's gonna hit you, but there's literally no one here. So far, this trip has been so much quicker and easier. Last time we did this, we were coming from Seattle to Houston, and you know that diagonal trip down was abysmal. This, way better. Also, if you're asking yourself what's the difference in traveling like at night, I will say a lot of these drivers are more brazen, a lot faster, and we almost had a guy drive us off the highway coming off. He was trying to merge on, and I said, "Oh shit, he's gonna hit us." I missed it.
This is the RV exit. Looks like we're sleeping with the dogs. You know, RV life isn't always glamorous. Sometimes you wake up at a random rest stop in Texas.
I was really cocky yesterday. I was like, let's drive through the night. And I quickly realized I was really tired, and I hit a wall probably 2 hours after our dinner at Chipotle. And so I immediately started looking for somewhere to stop. And this little Gainesville rest stop was perfect.
Now we're awake and we got 4 more hours till we get home, but
Yes.
we have to make a stop that all Texans hold near and dear to their hearts. We thought we'd be turning in right there.
Wait, this is oh, it's right here, look.
Okay.
What's going on in this town? Like, why is this construction so bad? Dear God. So, this is the weirdest parking situation we've ever had to do, but look at this parking lot. Like, it's insanely tight, and then it's got these two medians right in the middle. So just to make sure, I'm gonna walk over here to this exit to see if we can even make this turn to get out of here. Okay, yeah, I should be able to like take a wide left and then circle back. I'll be going the wrong direction until I can make another U-turn, but oh well. The first one, the bun was a sausage egg and cheese?
Yes.
Perfect. Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Is that for you
To go. Some ketchup. This is gonna be really hard to really quick. I think the Conte sauce. And I think that's it. I think I'm good.
That's it?
Yes,
All
ma'am.
right.
Thank you so much. Gotta love Texas. So this is one of those times. It kind of sucks making YouTube videos in the rain because I want to throw the drone up and show you guys how tight getting out of this parking lot is gonna be. But I can't because it's raining, and I should have looked up exactly where to park like I always do, but I didn't because I was hungry and I had a headache. So now I'm gonna try and get out of here. Let's see what happens.
Will we hit a curb? Oh. close are you to that little barrier?
Not at all.
Oh, okay.
You think I can make that U-turn? Or yeah, I should just go that way.
I think you should just go that way.
Okay.
You have plenty of space over here.
Yeah.
Yeah, you go over here. And that's why you buy a small trailer.
Not because you couldn't afford a bigger one.
No, so you could get into, so you could get to Whataburger.
Feels like I'm having an affair with the Love's gas station, but we're at Buc-ee's. Now the very Texas thing to do is get gas at Buc-ee's. That wouldn't have happened at Love's.
He's got the hood open. Only God knows what that means.
A little bit of oil right here. Not sure why. You can see it. Right there is the issue. Typically these little clamps are kind of hard to move, but this one's like moving really easy and freely, so maybe it's just time to replace that clamp. Alright, we are off to get dinner with the in-laws. If there is anything we've missed about Texas, it's the food. Saying earlier that the one thing we definitely missed about Texas was the food. I mean, family, but hard to beat the food. Yeah.
Okay, our REI package just came in and it's something awesome for our next chapter of Wannabe Travelers.